I'm showing you different thing. It's a table. It's not a big table. It's a folding table. I brought it especially for my husband because he likes to eat food, different kind of food. I like on a table especially. But we don't have a table, so I brought this folding table for my husband. It's only $6, very cheap. I brought it on sale, so it's very cheap. The good thing is that he used to watch the tablet or the mobile phone and YouTube. So hey cameraman, where are you going? What are you catching?
So okay, I'm going to thanks for the table. Yeah, I'm going to have some breakfast and I'm going to review it and let's continue. Thank you. So here's the table. Thank you, my wife. That's all I can say. I'm really very much happy. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Okay.
Right now, as you can see, I already peel off the plastic. This is a very good table. Okay, let me. I'm having the Malaysian bread with the kaya. Let me put the bread here. First, I want to show you how to open. Opening and closing can be a little bit tricky. I want to be honest here. Like it open and close. Let me just open it. Okay, let me put in newspaper. So here I can put my mobile phone, and here I can put my bread, my tea, and I'm going to watch some Netflix. Overall, personally, I'm very much impressed with the build quality. Aside from the closing and opening hinge, which is not that easy to open, it requires a little bit amount of force, especially when you are opening it. You really have to hit hard from the top, so here the entire stand can lock in. Overall, it's nice. It's not bad. Yeah, personally, I'm a huge fan of IKEA. IKEA gave us very affordable furniture at every price point. Like when I was growing up, I was that poor that I always imagined that one day can I afford IKEA. Like IKEA was a luxurious brand for me. Like only rich people, wealthy people buy from IKEA. And today, in this pandemic, I'm having IKEA furniture. I hope you like my review. It's a very nice table. So my wife, what do you have to say? You can also give your opinion. You can rotate the microphone to yourself.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's good table, but to be honest, it's very weak. Its handle come out very easily. I need to press very hard. For me, it's not easy. But my husband is very easy to handle it. But next time I will buy a wooden table. Okay, so make sure to subscribe and comment and like the video. Bye bye.